Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. I'm working on this Leslie fast motor. This is a lower fast motor. So I'm cleaning it up now. What I did was I just sprayed this WD-40 inside here. So I'm gonna clean it up now. Where's the canister, the larger canister of cleaner wipes?
Right down there.
Oh, okay. All right, this is what I need. All right, see, the tub of towels is what I like to use for this project. And so, kind of hard for me to, but anyway, I'm gonna come back after I'll clean it up. Cause let me show you the kind of stuff you get in out of here. Wipe all that oil out. See, look at that. That's what was in there. So I want to get all that out. Okay. All right. Till the next video, Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Peace out.